but the fact remains that I'm a psycho. Better get it through your brain when you say my name. Never say it in vain, cause I'm a psycho.
Fucking crazy. We'll fucking snap in a minute.
I'm a motherfucking omen. I bow down to no man. Split a nigga open. Killing folks compulsive. A soldier with a motive. Scrotum big as boulders. I hold them, then unload on you. Put it on a poster so everyone can notice who was focused on us poking. They nose in our business, hoping that I don't come smoke them. No one knows my notions or emotions. I'm a vulture. You niggas close to croaking any moment, and I know when I can fuck the culture up. Probably rap. A maniac with anxiety attacks. I don't wanna chat. Speak when you spoken to, and I don't have to read a fucking magazine. A quotable to notice what you hoes
We all soldiers, we move as a unit, we all roll up and show up at your residence, light your front door up. Get scared, life ain't fair, and I'm prepared to blast you just as fast as Drake and say hell yeah. So watch what you say, cause it can happen either today or the next minute. I can draw on a heater or spray and I'm dead serious. You can be dead, period, end of story. I'm on your porch with a gun and your son sipping a 40. Nobody can hold me, I does it all by my lonely. I stump your head when you awake, you be looking like Gumby. Aftermath and shady bitch, you can read it and weep. You see my poster in the hood for the G of the week.
I'm a little bit off the chain, call me insane, but the fact remains that I'm a psycho.
You know what? I am crazy as hell.
Better get it through your brain when you say my name. Never say it in vain, cause I'm a psycho.
Nigga, I'm about to snap in any minute, nigga. Evacuate.
They found Saddam, but they ain't gon' find me. I be under a tree in buttfuck Tennessee. And I don't know too much about my daddy, except be spit in my face and fuck me in the fanny. I ain't a racist, I just hate whites. Fags and dice, blacks and transvestites. 13 years old, enjoying the fucking game. Hearing in my ass cheeks, feeling the fucking pain. Am I insane? Who really knows? 'Cause any second, my temper can fucking blow. I get colder than December. Black the fuck out tomorrow, won't even remember. See, Bizarre can show you what violence is all about. And it's Dr. Dre beat and brought it the fuck out. Went in your house, put a gun in your mouth, and blow your brains the fuck out.
I probably got a screw loose or two, or maybe 3 or 4 of them. Some fell out and hit the floor. All I know is ever since my fucking head hit the snowbank, I've been a little Neanderthalish. No thanks to my man D'Angelo Bailey, but I just take it slow daily. My biggest dilemmas, trying to figure whether to use the flathead or the filler, or just go to the Home Depot and pick the new power driller. It's been 2 hours and 6 days, I'm still up. I feel like I'm about to snap any minute. There's a new Tower Records about to stop and get a fill up. Pick the new Cypress Hill up and go find who did that shit to exhibit, and go fill up a whole liquor bottle with piss and shatter his fucking lips.
I'm a little bit off the chain, call me insane, but the fact remains that I'm a psycho. Better get it through your brain when you say my name. Never say it in vain, cause I'm a psycho.
Carnell Pitts, aka Bugs. Rest in peace, homie.
Girl, I got you so right, and I know you like. So come and push it on me if it feels alright. Wanna drop it low and break me off? No, she doesn't mind. She doesn't mind. She doesn't mind. Girl, I got you so. Push it back on it, bring it back on it. Give me the thing, make a waffle lock on it. Bind it, wiggle it, set the chop on it. 2 more shots, now we in a hot panic. 2 girl and I'm ready for jump on it. 2 to my word, I'm ready for jump on it. Ready for run on it, ready for jump on it. Tag team in for your truck, whip up on it. My baby, she don't mind at all. Girl, I got
одна в шаге от меня. Так не бывает. Я знаю, это рай между нами. Whistle, baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and we start real slow.